So today's video is sponsored by Subella Hair. Thank you, Subella, for sponsoring this video. So today, I'm going to show you this wig that they sent me. This is the packaging and all the goodies that they sent. As you can see, they sent a lot of stuff. Okay, so first of all, we have these cute press-ons. Unfortunately, those are too small for me. Brushes, a HD wig cap, some lashes, and the melting band, of course. And we cannot forget about the wig. The wig is a 24-inch curly unit, and it is a natural edge unit. But let me tell you, this wig is super soft, super soft, and it did not have any smells. It came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and it has all of these little coily baby hairs, as you can see. Like I said, the lace is very much soft as well, and it's tinted already brown, so I really didn't have to do much. It has combs, adjustable straps, and elastic bands, and as you can see, the lace is the knots is lightly bleached. So I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this on. So I am a 22.3 when it comes to wig caps, so I'm like on a larger head size. So when I order wigs, I like to get a large wig just to give me some extra space, and this one fits perfect. This is a large, so if you want a specific cap, make sure you contact them, or just make sure on the website you can pick the specific wig cap that you want. Alright, so we're going to go in with our Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I like to mix both of those colors and apply it all over my cap. Lately, well, not lately, for probably like a year, I have not been gluing down my stocking caps, only because like it just caused too much tension on my edges, and I just had a baby, postpartum shedding. I don't want to cause any more shedding than I have to when it comes to this situation. So yeah, I don't glue down my wig caps anymore. And as far as the product that I'm using an adhesive spray. And it's not glue, it's a temporary hold, but we are not going to talk about this brand because this is a no-name brand. We're not going to name them, okay? So you can use any adhesive spray that you like. They all work the same, to be honest. And my favorite is Red by Kiss in the pink can. That is my favorite. But anyway, I like to spray half of my hairline, blow dry it down till it gets tacky, and then lay the lace down and blow dry it down till it's fully dry. Now, once the lace is fully dry, I'm going to go take my razor and I'm going to cut the excessive lace off. Now you can see that the lace was a little bit ashy, even though it is a brown tinted lace, but I'm still going to go in with my Ruby Kisses, and I am going to put that all over my hairline, and as you can see, it is blending so well. Look at that, just melted. So I am going to go ahead and comb out the hair. It's not shedding. What it is that I did pluck a little bit more off camera, so that's what's coming out of the wig. So if you don't want to pluck, you don't have to, but I like to pluck a little bit more. It's just a personal preference for me. Once I comb everything out, this is what she's looking like. I haven't melted the lace as of yet. And then I am going to go in with some water, and I'm going to spray the hair. I got to fix that little piece right there. But I'm going to spray the hair and comb it through, and then apply some mousse to make the curls pop.
Tryin' on the beat. Tryin' on the beat.
Once the water and the product is applied, I decided that I wanted to do some face framing layers, and I am going to just cut some layers in the front of the hair just to give it a little bit more like character, body movement. I was gonna go in throughout the whole wig and do this, but I just decided just to do the front. And as you can see, here go the baby hairs. Now I did not use all the baby hairs. There was a lot of baby hairs on this wig. Okay, the natural edges. I've had a natural edge wig before, and I didn't like them. I actually like this one. This one edges actually curled up. The other ones just look kinky and nappy, and I didn't like those. But this one, all I did was add a little bit of mousse, combed it through, and let it air dry, and it was actually pretty decent. It looks like my natural texture actually. So the last step is I'm going to take some Pro Style gel, the old school, and I'm going to take some and put it around the hairline just to make sure that the hair is staying in place. And then I'm going to put some all around the hairline and the parting, and then whatever the residual is that's on my hands, I'm going to just rub it through the hair. And then I just let my hair air dry. And this is what the hair looks like once it's fully air dried. It is cute. It has a wonderful luster, okay? The curls are soft and they're popping. If you saw me combing through it at the last clip and twisting it and curling it, that's how you get those little ringlets at the bottom. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I enjoyed this hair. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. And until next time, bye best friends, and everything that I used including this hair will be in the description box. Bye best friends.